Hello my lovely people, कैसे हो आप सब? Hope you are doing good. Welcome to the YouTube channel of the Lanci. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and press that bell icon so you'll be notified every time we post a new video. If you guys don't know me, hi, myself Alifya. I am a professionally certified makeup artist और आज मैं हूँ आपकी Lanci Makeup Academy Chapter 3 की teacher. So guys, Chapter 1 में हमने सीखा basic makeup करना. Chapter 2 was all about eyeshadow and now Chapter 3. This chapter is going to be all about eyeliner. I'm going to teach you guys how to apply eyeliner precisely. एक तो ना guys, हम जब भी लेट हो जाते हैं ना तब भी विंग आईलाइनर हमारा कभी साथ नहीं देती. I mean एक आईज की विंग या तो ऊपर होगी, एक के नीचे होगी, या एक पतली होगी, एक मोटी होगी, एंड देन उसको रिपेयर करते 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 एंड में फिर हम चुड़ैल बन जाते हैं. I mean it's a everyday thing. Comment down below guys if you guys relate to this as well. इसलिए गाइस कहते हैं कि अप्लाइंग आईलाइनर इज एन आर्ट एंड टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू गाइस दिस आर्ट. आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू गाइस हाउ टू अप्लाई eyeliner easily, quickly, effortlessly. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So guys, for eyeliner I have an amazing product to share with you all, and that is this Lanci's Catrina glitter eyeliner pen. You guys, this eyeliner pens are so amazing. They glide on smoothly, they are super pigmented, they do not smudge, and they stay put for a really long time. Also guys, the felt tip is super amazing. It makes really easy for you to apply your winged eyeliner precisely. So right over here I have these three beautiful shades. I have blue, purple and green. So today I'm going to be using this green eyeliner as I'm wearing green, so why not. So guys, सबसे पहले होता है mirror का angle. You cannot keep your mirror over here, up over here and just draw a winged eyeliner like this. This will really be uncomfortable. What you should do instead is keep your mirror down and your chin up and look like this. This will make a huge difference. I'm sorry. So guys, सबसे पहले I'm gonna draw a line from this corner till the end of my eyebrows. So guys, the second step is to start a line from the middle of your eye and join it to the end of this line. You guys, just look at that sharp wing eyeliner. It's so amazing, and also the green eyeliner looks really pretty. Eyeliner होते बहुत सारे type के हैं, cat eye, graphic eyeliner and all of that. But the eyeliner I showed you guys today is classic winged eyeliner. So guys, I just want to tell you all कि in this video I have showed you the guidelines and steps कि how to apply a winged eyeliner. But you need to practice to get the same result. You cannot sit, watch this tutorial and just go and try it to get the same result in one go and just be like, मैं तो किया था यार, इतना नहीं आया इसका रिजल्ट. कैसा आएगा भाई, आपने प्रैक्टिस नहीं की है. You need to practice. Every time you practice, you know your mistakes. You know what you should not do and what you should do. So always keep practicing. The more you practice, the more you get confidence. And guys, एक बार confidence आ गया ना, then you can apply your eyeliner really very easily and very quickly because your hands won't be shivering or shaky at all. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you all and you guys enjoyed it as well. अगर आप लोगों ने अब तक Chapter 1 और Chapter 2 नहीं देखा है guys, do check that out as well. And also guys, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more such amazing tutorials. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.